We are in Shenandoah with my buddy Andrew. Andrew's going to take us through
What's
the
up, guys?
listing.
Yeah, so we're here at 1671 Southwest 16th Street in Shenandoah. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, has a pool, almost 1,800 square feet. Everything was completely renovated in 2018. New floors, kitchen, plumbing, electrical, roof, HVAC, insulation, you name it. And yeah, we're now asking 1.3. Bring by your buyers.
Yeah. And Andrew, you said this was like an Airbnb or something?
Yes, so Airbnb is allowed in this neighborhood, which is great for investors. And yeah, the guy was asking $350 a night and getting it. So great for an investor for sure.
Awesome. Let's take a look inside.
Little open concept, updated kitchen with an eat-in island, 2 bedrooms on this side, your primary suite back there. So that would be your 4th bedroom with its own ensuite bath.